Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another ponytail video. So if you guys don't know, ponytail looks in general have been like my go-to look for a long time. I used to like do the bundles where you wrap it around your natural ponytail. However, within like the past year or so, I've really been inclined to drawstring ponytails. They're so easy. They have so many different styles. They look good. So yeah. So I uploaded a video, I think like back in October, and I just randomly tried some ponytails off of Amazon, and so I'm here today with a part 2. I went and ordered me 3 more ponytails. So this is not a sponsored video. I purchased all these ponytails from Amazon on my own. All these ponytails that I'm going to be trying, they are synthetic, but they're very affordable. I think they all fall between like the $10 to $15 range, and they are natural girl friendly. So I stuck with all curly textures. So I already have my hair prepped. I just have my natural hair in a bun. So we're going to get into the first one. I will leave the link to all these ponytails down below. This first one is from Fashion Hair. It says 100% heat resistant synthetic fibers, and that you can use a curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. It also comes with like a headband, hair ties, and some bobby pins. So this first one, I don't know how it's gonna work out. It's supposed to look like a puff with like the curly bangs. Now, be mindful that when you are purchasing ponytails from Amazon, or from anywhere for that matter, a lot of times they use photos that aren't the actual product. So if something looks too good to be true, or it looks too real, 9 times out of 10 that it is somebody's natural hair. So keep that in mind, that the ponytails will not look exactly how the photos look that they're advertising. So straight out the box, like, the curl patterns are different, so this should be interesting. So it's a drawstring. It has a comb in the back, and then for the little bang piece, it also has a comb for you to, I guess, keep it in place. So here is how it looks straight out of the box. I really want to like this one. Like, this is super like puffed out, and then these are really kind of like defined. I don't want to make the bangs too frizzy, so I'm gonna try it on with the headband that they gave me. So yeah, this ponytail definitely looks cuter with a head wrap. I don't have too many head wraps, so this one doesn't really match my outfit right now, but it definitely looks better with like something. Alright, so this is ponytail number 1. Alright, so now I'm moving on to the second ponytail. This one is from, well, the box says Fashion Wigs, and this is Biera Hair. I'm just gonna leave the links down below. Here is the ponytail, and then it also comes with like a little pack of hoops. So this is similar to the first one I just tried on. It just doesn't have the bangs. Just shaking it out, because you know when it's in a box it'd be kind of stuck, so shaking it out first. It also has 2 combs and a drawstring. Pretty standard. So I just like to fluff them out. I just feel like it looks more natural. I am I do have 4 type hair, so I don't want the curls to be too defined because then it doesn't look as natural. If you are the 3s, then you might be able to just kind of keep it like this. But if you are 4 type hair, I definitely recommend frizzing it out a little bit. It is synthetic hair, so after time it'll naturally frizz. Yeah, at least go in and separate the curls a little more. So this one is in the color number 2. I don't know why I got a number 2. It's definitely on the brown side. It matches, but it's definitely lighter than my hair. But this one is really cute. I like this one. So yeah, this is ponytail number 2. Alright, so now I'm moving on to the last ponytail. This one is from Themis Hair, and it's described as an Afro kinky clip-in ponytail. And I actually got this one in some color. So this is in the color T1B118. This one also comes with a pair of hoop earrings. The roots are a little darker, and then it's really red on the ends. So again, I'm just gonna shake it out. And standard ponytail, 2 combs and a drawstring. So this one is not as full as the other one, so I'm definitely gonna fluff this one out. So here is ponytail 3. I do like that the curls are tighter on this one, so it definitely looks more natural, but you definitely have to shape this one more. If you don't like the color contrast, like how my hair is dark but the tips are red, I mean the roots on this hair is dark, so it definitely looks like your natural hair has been ombre. But if you don't like the color contrast, you can get any colored hairspray and spray the perimeter of your hair so that it blends more with the ponytail. I do have a video showing you guys that, which I'll link here or somewhere in the description box. So that's an option, but I kind of like it with like the dark roots and then just the red. I think this one definitely needs like hoop earrings though. But yeah, that is the last ponytail. I love a good drawstring ponytails. I think these ones that I tried out today are really cute. Again, they're natural girl friendly. Gonna be great for the summertime. You don't want a bunch of hair on your neck, but you still want to look cute and put together. So again, I will leave the link down in the description box to each of these ponytails. Again, they all range from like maybe $10 to $15. Very affordable, very cheap. Let me know which ponytail is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.